How to download College Football 25. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now, at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in NCAA Football 25 and then search for it. With that, you're gonna find this website link. Open it, EA Sports. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're gonna see the option of buy at the top right corner. Clicking on that, you're gonna get two options, PlayStation and Xbox. As of right now, this game is only available in these platforms. At the moment, this is not available in the PC, but if in the future it is available in the PC, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Now go ahead and select your platform. I'm gonna select PlayStation. You'll be directed to this page. Now scrolling down, you have to select the game edition. So here you're gonna find 3 edition. Go ahead and select the one that you're gonna download. Just click on the option of get or buy. With that, download process will start. Once completion of its download process, you can log into your account, and with that you will be able to find this game in the platform. Likewise, you can also select Xbox. In the case you have selected Xbox as well, you have to apply the same steps. Go ahead and select the game edition and complete the process. Once it has been downloaded, log into your account, and with that you will be able to find the game in the platform. So this is how you can easily download College Football 25. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.